How to create a CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart. Search for CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select Metric column. Select Dimension columns. Click on the Create Chart button. CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need two columns of numerical data to create a CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Responses. Select Dimension Years. Select Dimension Rating. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. CSAT Survey Stacked Column chart is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Legend section. You can show or hide legend. Click on the Box section to change the color of the boxes. Click on the Apply button. Similarly, change the color of all boxes. Click on the Chart Settings button to change the chart properties. Click on the Miscellaneous section. You can change the values for detractors, passives, and promoters as needed. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section to show column labels. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below, please click on more. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.